Situation, I think very many people, they came to help us, and but for their help it was not possible. When you say I got emotional, actually it was not emotional, it was something which was coming out of my heart. Shanti Mukund Hospital is a hospital which cares for the patient. If you have seen that the patient was so pitiable that my senior managers, they took the cylinders on their shoulders and they ran to save the life of the patient. We all know oxygen is very important, even for a healthy patient and more so for the sick patient. 1 minute or a fraction of time, seconds or a few seconds, if you don't get oxygen, you will get into hypoxia and your brain may become dead. So my aim was to, our heart beat for our patient. We care for a patient.
Absolutely, sir. So what do you think that is the reason behind this all of a sudden the scarcity of oxygen that we are facing? Because it's been a year that we've been fighting the pandemic. All of a sudden this scarcity, and what could be, the steps that we could take in future so that if at all, if we are staring at a pandemic like this in the future, nothing of this situation is ever repeated again.
This is a very complex situation. It will be wrong to blame anybody for this. I will tell you how it works. In a normal working hospital, when there is no pandemic like this, about 30% of the patient, they require oxygen. And from those 30% of the patient require oxygen, 20% of the total bed strength will be requiring oxygen in the ICUs, in the OTs, for various purposes, and 10% patient will be requiring oxygen in the wards. Now, in this pandemic situation, two-fold effect has come. One fold effect is that the oxygen requirement for a patient is about 90% of the patient who come for this under COVID attack, they will be requiring oxygen. Whereas general patient will requiring a oxygen requirement of 2 liters to 6 liters, something little more, but on an average this is thing. And in this case, it is from 6 liters to 14 liters, 18 liters, 20 liters. So the impact is 9 times.